Mooncat. Mooncat! Mooncat nail polish? That's a big box.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my. It says Mooncat.
Mm-hmm.
It's sealed. Thank you. I'm not shoving the hollow taco out of the way. I'm just gently shoving the hollow taco out of the way. Oh. Oh, abandon the ordinary. Oh, the dog is licking my toe. Where's my stick? Here it is. Can't believe you did this. Oh, come here, light. Oh, look at that color. That's called Take Me to Your Leader. Ooh.
Yeah, so what this isn't is the Hocus Pocus 2 collection. It's something totally else.
We're not Hocus Pocus people.
That's right.
I've never seen it. Are these magnetic?
You know, I don't remember what the deal is with these.
They could just be normal. Mortals be warned. Oh my God, look at that color. Did you see that?
I'm sure you'll come back through with your camera, but...
Yeah, because I have to paint. This one looks clear, and I was going to leave it for last, but it's driving me crazy.
Oh.
Speed Demon top coat. Oh my God.
Yeah, I couldn't resist.
Always use another top coat. The bottles are even cooler than I thought they'd be.
Yeah.
Holy cow. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Alien Invasion. Alien Invasion. Oh, wow. Holy cow. Holy cow. Linda, holy cow. She's like, Mom, what are you getting so excited about? Hi. Yes. It's okay. Mama's okay. Mama's just happy. Mama likey. Mama likey Mooncat. Cyborg. Oh, is that cool? That reminds me of one of the ILNPs. Alright, I saved the blue one for last. Because you know me and blue.
Mm-hmm.
It's called Gamma Ray Blaster. Oh, that's gorgeous. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Is this like an alien collection or something?
I'll tell you in just a minute.
Look at these colors.
So it's the Battle of the Cosmos collection is what that was.
Leave it alone. Look at these colors.
And then I threw in the Speed Demon top coat just because, you know, Speed Demon top coat.
Look at that. Oh, they're gorgeous.
I had to look it up. They're multi-chrome lacquers. They're not magnetic. They certainly look magnetic, though. The
Yeah.
way that they...
But yeah, no, they're not. They're multi-chrome. Oh, I have to take off these nails now. But first, to the swatches! Okay, never before on this channel, Mooncat swatching. Okay, this one's called Cyborg. I have no idea how these polishes are. Sparkly. These polishes are sparkly. Okay, nice brush. Good coverage. It was very smooth. Little streaky on the first coat. This one is Alien Invasion. This one is a blue-green shift with gold sparklies. Okay, this is Take Me to Your Leader. Like a pink, purple, orange. Okay, I saved my favorite two colors for the last. This is Gamma Ray Blaster. This is a blue to green shift. And this is Mortals Be Warned, and this is like a purple gold. A lot of purple. And looking at the bottle, you get a whole bunch of different shades. Looking at the swatch stick, I got purple. Oh, I see a little bit of like a brown or an orange when I tip it. We'll see after a couple of coats. Okay, that is one coat of each. Okay, back to Cyborg for its second coat. Okay, in real life, there's a lot more blue. There's the blue. There's like a blue purple is what I'm seeing. Oh, I knocked the bottle over. It did not spill. Ooh. Okay, second coat of Alien Invasion. That one might actually need 3 coats in real life. It's pretty green. And I definitely see a gold shift. Okay. This is Take Me to Your Leader. And they're not happy unless they bark during one of the videos. Don't know what Karen's barking at. Okay, Gamma Ray Blaster, second coat. That's beautiful. Wow, that's pretty. And lastly, in Battle of the Cosmos is Mortals Be Warned. Wow. Okay, there's 2 coats of all 5 of them. They are stunning. These 3 could use another coat. That one could actually even use another coat. Is this one see-through? Not that I can tell. No, that one is not see-through. That one is. That one is. That one is. And that one is. But gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Really pretty. Now I have to take off these wedding nails that I did this morning. By the way, my friend found her wedding dress, so we really don't need the wedding nails anymore. And we can play. I got so much to play with now. Woohoo!